Hello, friends. Welcome to Kalsi Estate. My name is Kalsi. I'm a father of a wonderful son, husband of a caring woman. I'm into industry from last 25 years, and I take my job as serving rather than selling. And I love giving plenty of free advice in real estate. तो आज का टॉपिक है दोस्तों आईवी निया बाय कोलते पाटिल at Wagoli, Pune. So let's begin with the show. So friends, Ivy Nia was launched long before. It was launched in 2018, but because of COVID, so there was some interval in between. So now again this project is started, and as per RERA, this building possession is on June 2022. So almost 80% work is completed. So we are again promoting this project. And this project name is Ivy Nia, and it is developed by Kolte Patil, which is at Wagoli at Pune. And as everybody know, Kolte Patil is a branded developer in Pune. So they have constructed many buildings in Pune, and all the projects are completed in time. और ये भी प्रोजेक्ट जो है जो रेरा के हिसाब से जो इनका डेट है जून 2022 ये टाइम तक इस कॉम्प्लेक्स का पोजीशन हो जाएगा. So at Ivy Nia, it's not just about owning 1 or 2 BHK flats, it's about living a fascinating life. But this is how the complex looks. This is around 11 buildings are there, and you see this whole complex over here from here up to here. This is around 75 acres plot is there. It's a very big township, and this phase is around 8.5 acres, which we call it as Ivy Nia, जिसको हम लोग Ivy Nia बोल रहे हैं बाय कोलते पाटिल. वो है 11 बिल्डिंग का प्रोजेक्ट है, और यहाँ पर आप देखोगे ये ग्राउंड प्लस 11 स्टोरी का टावर भी है एट द सेम टाइम. 11 बिल्डिंग प्लस ग्राउंड प्लस 11 स्टोरी टावर. तो 80% work of this building is completed, and possession will be given in June 2022. And whole this complex, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया 8.5 एकर्स में कॉम्प्लेक्स बन रहा है. और ये जो बड़ी बिल्डिंग्स आप देख रहे हो, इसका आप स्क्वायर देखोगे ये थोड़ा सा लार्ज है, और ये जो आप स्क्वायर देखोगे इसका थोड़ा सा लार्ज थोड़ा सा स्मॉल है. तो यहाँ पर टिपिकल 1 BHK इस बिल्डिंग में दिया हुआ है, जो कि सिर्फ 1 BHK रहेगा, और हर एक फ्लोर के ऊपर करीबन 12 फ्लैट है. और जहाँ पर 2 BHK दिया गया है वहाँ पर हर एक फ्लोर के ऊपर 8 फ्लैट दिया गया है. तो इसके लिए बिल्डिंग के स्क्वायर शेप में आप साइज में थोड़ा सा डायमेंशन में आप पिक्चर में भी देखोगे तो थोड़ा इसमें दोनों में फ़र्क है. दूसरा, ये प्रोजेक्ट जो है बहुत ही वेल लोकेटेड है वागोली में, और इसके इस तरफ जहाँ पर हिल्स, यहाँ पर जब आप इस तरफ आप देखोगे तो ये सारा हिल व्यू है फ्रंट साइड में. और ऑफ कोर्स अगर इनर साइड का इनसाइड फेसिंग गार्डन फेसिंग का फ्लैट लोगे तो आपको इनसाइड एमिनिटीज या गार्डन फेसिंग का फ्लैट मिलेगा. अगर बाहर का फेसिंग का अगर आप लेते हो तो आपको ये सारा ग्रीनरी फेसिंग का और हिल फेसिंग का फ्लैट मिलेगा इसमें. So this is how the complex looks. It is very beautifully designed, and it is developed by Kolte Patil, one of the branded developer in Pune and Mumbai and Bangalore. So Kolte Patil is a branded developer. So Wagoli is one of the fastest growing suburb in eastern part of Pune, and to connectivity to this area, closer area to this place is Khardi, Bagarpatta, Keshav Nagar, Mundwa, Goregaon Park, and even the Ranjangaon industrial hub is conveniently located, and it's a few meters away from Nagar Road. Besides its proximity to schools, Pune Airport, offices, healthcare, and convenience make it the most preferred destination of Ivy Nia. So when you see in this map over here, Wagoli, this whole area is Wagoli over here, and this is Ivy Estate. So whole area is Ivy Estate. Whole area 75 एकड़ का जो प्लॉट है वो Ivy Estate है, और उसमें ये Ivy Nia जो है एक कॉम्प्लेक्स बन रहा है जो कि 8.5 एकड़ के अंदर बन रहा है. तो Ivy Nia एक कॉम्प्लेक्स है जो कि लेटेस्ट और लास्ट कॉम्प्लेक्स रहेगा ये Ivy Estate का. और इसके नज़दीक में आप देखोगे जैसे यहाँ पर ये केस आनंद, GSP कॉलेज, लेक्सिकन इंटरनेशनल स्कूल, then to Ranjangaon MIDC and Ahmednagar. So these are close by area to this Ivy Estate. तो थोड़ा ही डिस्टेंस पे अगर आप जाते हो तो यहाँ पर ये जो है एयरपोर्ट रोड है, दिस इज वागेश्वर टेम्पल, 4 पॉइंट्स, सिटी स्पेस, देन गीगा स्पेस, पार्क एस्थेटिक, डेक्लॉन showroom at Wagoli, then Green Groves, EONSEZ and IT Park, and Nirmala Convent School is there, Hotel Radisson, Tucson, Reliance Smart, Zanzar Technology, Khardi, and Houseful. So these are again which are slightly distance from this Ivy Estate. And if you go at more distance places from here, so distance places are like Airport Road, you can say, Pune Golf Course, then Pune Central, then Koregaon Park, Kalyani Nagar, the Bishop School, Lifestyle Mall, Big Cinema, and Niyati Technology Park. So these are all distance places from this Ivy Nia, which is at Ivy Estate, developed by Kuldeep Patil. So when you see connectivity over here, Ivy Estate is nestled in Wagoli, East Pune, hottest investment location, and of course the prices of this place is going up because of the infrastructure developing very fast. And the prime areas near this are Kalyani Nagar, Hadapsar, Magarpatta, Handewadi, Khardi, Viman Nagar, Airport Road, Pursangi, Mundwa, Wagoli, Chandan Nagar are very close to this Wagoli area. And a few of the connectivity like Lexicon International School is at 800 meter, International Airport is 11.8 kilometer, Pune Railway Station 15 kilometer, Phoenix Market City 12.1 kilometer, Eon IT Park 8 kilometer, Koregaon Park 12 kilometer, Panchil Tech Park 10 kilometer, Declon Wagoli 2.7 kilometers. So these are all close by. You can see your ecosystem. These are all close by to the area. इसको आप ecosystem आप बोल सकते हैं, जो कि इस complex के काफी नजदीक है. And of course, happy family already staying in phase 1 and right place for the family also. So let's see the master layout of the plot. This is the master layout of the plot. When you see over here, this whole area is 75 acres. And आज हम लोग जो बात कर रहे हैं वो आईवी निया का बात कर रहे हैं. सो आईवी निया के अंदर आप देखेंगे 11 बिल्डिंग्स है और ये सेंटर में यहाँ पर कार पार्किंग स्पेस दिया हुआ है और कुछ एमिनिटीज यहाँ पर ग्राउंड फ्लोर में दिया हुआ है और कुछ एमिनिटीज यहाँ पर भी है और प्लस एमिनिटीज जो है यहाँ पर सामने की तरफ भी कुछ एमिनिटीज यहाँ पर भी आएगा. So this is how the shape of the plot is, and this project is named Ivy Nia. So this is the master plan, and in master layout you will see this is multi-level car parking space जो कि ground +1 या ground +2 का हो सकता है, and lots of the amenities are given on the ground floor over here, and also here few amenities are given, and these are all ground plus 11-story buildings. So these larger buildings are having 2 BHKs and these narrow buildings are having 1 BHK. So you have visitor car parking, senior citizen plaza, cove sitting, children's play area, amphitheater, party lawn, community hall, gymnasium, jogging track, parking building, UGWT, STP, cricket practice net, skating rink, outdoor exercise area, pergola with sit out, and basketball or futsal court. So these are all the amenities provided in this complex. And as I told you, this side, outside facing of the flat will be having a sunrise, which will be a hill facing. So this is east side of the building, and there will be a sunrise from here, and you will be getting a hill view if anybody is buying flat of this side of this corner, H building or G8 or G7 के इस कॉर्नर का जो फ्लैट लेते हैं वहां पर उनको सनराइज का व्यू मिलेगा. और ऑफ कोर्स यहाँ का जो रहेगा वो पार्शियल कॉम्प्लेक्स का रहेगा और इंटरनल फेसिंग में डेफिनेटली इंटरनल गार्डन फेसिंग या इंटरनल एमिनिटीज का व्यू रहेगा. सो अगेन मोर एमिनिटीज, सीनियर सिटीजन पवेलियन, योगा एंड मेडिटेशन जोन, जॉगिंग ट्रैक, चिल्ड्रन प्ले एरिया, cove, sit out, amphitheater, party lawn, clubhouse, pergola with sit out, outdoor exercise area, cricket practice net, skating rink, and futsal court or basketball court. So these are the amenities where you can see over here. This is the clubhouse, kids play area, again children play area over here. In common amenities, you have designer main entrance lobby, DG backup for common areas and lift, TV and telephone point provision for hall, AC, TV and telephone point provision for master bedroom, electric energy meter, provision for inverters, provision for intercom facilities. So this is the garden which is inside the complex, and building also you see white painted with gray color combination, and it looks very decent. And even the garden you see over here, well designed, well made garden. And this is the skating ground. Here again, this is skating ground over here, and this is basketball or can be used for multi-purpose court also. And there's a cricket pitch also inside over here. And again, this is a lawn for meditation or can be used for laughing club also for seniors. So friends, before we go on the plans and prices, I would like to show you the glimpses of the project. So this is how the project will look night time, and it's very decent, elegant, and very beautifully designed, and very royal look of the complex. You can see the nighttime image of the complex once it's get ready. उसके बाद यहाँ पर आप देखोगे, this is the garden image where plenty of space has been given for amenities, and there's a skating place also for room, and even family can sit evening time or daytime whenever they want. Then there's a fully equipped gym is there in this complex, and again a jogging or cycling track with sitting area for seniors. This is the image of the clubhouse, very beautifully designed, and schools are also very close by to this complex. And you can see the white paint, and all the flats are with deck. So you can see the white paint look of the building is very decent and elegant look of the building, and very beautifully designed clubhouse. Here again, this is the image of the clubhouse. This is kids play area. So plenty of space has been given for amenities. And this is again similar image, skating court, cricket pitch, and this is basketball or can be used for multi-purpose court also. And there is plenty of parking space provided in this complex. So there is a multi-level car parking also, and there is open car parking space also. Again, this is the top view. So this is where I told multi-level car parking building is separate. So this is the ramp going for multi-level car parking. And at the same time below still parking is also there. And plenty of plantations are given in the complex. Here also you see plenty of plantation, and it's a garden, lawn, where you can do yoga, meditation, or seniors can sit, even children can come and play here. Again, a beautiful image of the garden, basketball, clubhouse, fully equipped gym. And this is the image of the sample flat, very well designed sample flat. So here you see The deck has been given and there's a full French cut window has been given. So view is fantastic. At the same time, bright light is there and ventilation is also good in this flat. This is also the image of the sample flat. And this is the inside image of the complex with gray and white combination, very beautifully designed and very well made complex. The finishing of this complex itself, the image itself shows the complex will be very good looking, very well made, and the finishing will be very good of this complex. And even the construction quality wise, Kolte Patil is a branded developer, so you get all construction quality will be good, and inside and outside amenities, whatever builder developer has provided, inside fittings, all branded fittings will be there, and even outside amenities, whatever is written, all outer amenities will be provided to you. So friends, before we go on the floor plan and prices, just see the video clip I will share with you right now. So friend, that was the video clip to make you more understand about the project. So the video has been made so you get the more thorough knowledge about the project. And let's see the floor plan. So this is the floor plan, and here you see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 12 flats are there. That means all these flats are 1 BHK flats. So here you will see this is other building which is having only 2 BHK. So where there is 2 BHK, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 flats are there. Now this is a single unit of 1 BHK. 1 BHK carpet area is 457. So this is how the flat is designed. Moment you come here, there is a foyer entrance, there's kitchen over here, and there's a dining space and living space here. Large balcony has been provided. Then bedroom and washroom and bath is separate, and there's a passage over here. So very beautifully designed, especially the deck has been given in 457 carpet area. And price for this is 26,96,000. That is the agreement value. Beside that, stamp duty, registration and other charges will be separate on this. And this is the image of the 2 BHK. 2 BHK carpet area is 611. 611 is the carpet area. And you see over here, this is the entrance, living space, dining space, balcony with the hall, open kitchen concept, one bedroom over here, second bedroom over here. This is attached and this is common. So again, 2 BHK is well designed, and price for 611 carpet is 35,65,000. That's the agreement value. Other charges will be separate on this. This is the image of the complex, taken actual image taken at around 6:20 a.m. and this is the actual image of the complex taken from distance, and it looks very glamorous. So Ivy Estate has taken many awards, and because it's developed very well. So that's all for today, friends, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share to this channel, and see you again with one more video, one more launch, one more developer very soon. Thank you for watching this show. See you again. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.